Well, the country went into lockdown a week or so ago. Has it had much of an effect yet in terms of slowing the spread of the virus?
Well, today here in the UK, we recorded the second highest number of fatalities recorded in a single 24-hour period. And that stands at 1,243 deaths recorded. So it's still really high. And we are, as you were saying, Danica, in a national lockdown. We went in last week, and it's unlikely that it's going to get better before it gets worse. The death rate will still probably increase slightly before we notice it coming down in probably a week or two's time, when the lockdown will take a notice to the death rate. However, for the case rate, that has started coming down. It's still very high, though, at 45,000 cases reported in the last 24 hours. Sorry. And the main difference, though, compared to the first peak of the virus is now that we've got mass testing. So it's very difficult to compare these cases to what we were back in March and April. However, now we do have the vaccination programme, and the government are rolling this out on a mass scale. Currently, there are 3 vaccines now approved, and the Moderna vaccine was what joined the Oxford vaccine and the Pfizer vaccine this week. And the government are vaccinating a priority group of people at the moment, and that involves frontline health workers, people in care homes, the over 80s, and also over 70s. So there are people like the Queen, Prince Philip, and also David Attenborough, who were all vaccinated this week. And the government are hoping to vaccinate 15 million people in the first 4 priority groups, and that is just in a matter of weeks, by the 15th of February, so just over a month's time. A very ambitious target, but they are ramping up this vaccination programme. So far, 2.6 million jabs have been given in the UK. But the government strategy is to give just one vaccine dose, and then give the second one when there is availability for that. But for full immunity, you do need that second jab. So far, just over 400,000 second doses have been given here in the UK. But when we're tackling this new highly transmissible variant, full immunity is required if we want to ease the restrictions here in the UK.
Yeah, it's certainly a very difficult time for the UK, and as you said, still record numbers of deaths and cases. Unfortunately, we have to leave it there. Will Godley, thank you for joining me this morning.